I got a cab high fiberglass V series from ARE. Fits the 2017 through 2020 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. This one was not on the truck very long. Has no damage that I have seen yet on this truck. There's no scratches or dings on this. It was on the truck for just a very short period of time, maybe a year. Got maybe a small scuff right there at the bottom. Well, probably was when it was put on the ground. Little mark right there. It'll probably actually buff off there. It's just a mark, it's not even a scratch. Has a picture window in the front. This is white. It's going to be the Ford white. Little scuff right there. Sliding windows in the side. Like I said, there's a couple stone chips right there, and there. That's all the damage that I can find on this on the outside. This thing looks just about perfect. 8-foot bed, cab high. On the inside, it's just bare fiberglass. The screen has a tear in it, right there. You can see that. It's a pretty good sized tear in the screen. Windows are all in good shape. Front picture window, nothing leaks in here. This is all good shape. This screen here is in good shape. There's no damage on this screen at all. So this top is, you know, a 9.7 out of 10. This thing's almost perfect. It was built for 2018 Ford Super Duty 8-foot bed. Fits the 17 through 20 Super Duty. Cab high, it's white. It's a standard YZ white that Ford uses, the standard white that they all use for Ford trucks now.